Are you looking to make extra cash? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And today we'll teach you how you can earn money the lazy way. Beginners are earning anywhere from $100 up to $700 a day with absolutely no experience. We'll give you two super effective ways to get that cash while being lazy at the same time. This has to be the laziest way we have seen people make money online. They don't even have to do much. They don't have to show their face on camera, brainstorm for content, or build an audience. Absolutely just laze around, and there is more than one way to start. Easily make your first $100 profit per day. Minimal time, minimal effort. It could possibly be your ticket to being free and earning at the same time. Other people have been doing this, going from zero to $30,000 within 5 to 8 weeks. Sounds interesting, right? You won't need luck here either. Anyone, and we mean anyone, 20 years olds, 30 years olds, even 60 years olds can do it. Let's begin, shall we? The first way to make money online does not require any skill. It will only take about 15 to 30 minutes of your time every day. It sounds so simple, yet effective at getting you that extra cash. Number one is selling stuff on eBay that exists on other e-commerce platforms. You only buy the item from the other platform once you have landed a buyer on eBay. Sounds confusing? It is one of the most low-risk businesses in the world. You can literally happen as of the moment. Go on eBay and search for something like bunk bed cherry. You will see all the listings of bunk beds that are absolutely similar. They're all the same, but why do some sell for more? That's actually a lazy way to make money online, yet it works. If other people are doing it, then it definitely works. They are making money, so the opportunity is there. There are listings that have actually sold several units even with other listings for the same products. Thing is, some were sold for more expensive prices. Some were just newly posted. So how do they do it? They are literally the same bunk bed. How are those people making all this lazy cash? Copy the description of any listing and search it on Google. You will see that its original product is actually being sold on Walmart or Overstock or some other retailer. Check the retailer and find the items that are being sold for less. But of course, it's a bit difficult at first. You just got started. There are too many ways to make money. Losing money was not an option, right? Failure was absolutely not an option. You'd rather not risk and spend on things because making money online was sketchy for you. But you took a leap of faith. You sold your first product. It was something simple and you made a couple dollars profit. You think to yourself, that was the best couple of dollars. It worked and now you continue down the road of making money online. All these products, you just copy and paste pictures of them from their retailer listing. List them up on eBay. But there are those who take it up a notch. You'll see listings that have actually been photoshopped. It helps make your product more unique than others. Potential buyers will see your listing as more interesting and then they buy. You get profit, that's a win for us. Best part is you can do it absolutely anywhere. Going to school, on your lunch break at work, waiting in line at the grocery store. Anytime you would be watching a video on your phone, you can turn into an opportunity to improve your financial situation. After you get home, you hop on your computer, go to eBay, and start copying and pasting pictures of products you want to sell. Then you wait. Once you get that notification telling you you've made a sale, you've done it. That money immediately goes into your bank account. Once you have gotten paid, you buy it off of the retailer's site and ship it directly to the customer. This is such a lazy way of making money, just copying and pasting, but it works and it gets you to make money online. You can even hire people to do the copying and pasting for you. If you really are lazy, you can hire workers such as in Upwork.com to work for you. Get people to copy and paste for you at an hourly rate while you're focused on finding your next stream of income. Now, for the second way, all you want is money fast right now. This is where ClickBank comes in, which is free. Simply go and sign up. Then you can literally start promoting any kind of product there. You can earn around $113 to $178 per commission. This kind of business is a bit more forgiving compared to the eBay counterpart. To begin with, eBay will get you a couple dollars of profit, $10, $15, $20. The competition is harder too. For something like ClickBank, you don't have to worry about the shipping, the handling, the customer service. You don't even need to build a product. There are so many products that already exist there. There are people that go from $0 to $8,000 within the first 30 days, and it was all from a product that they did not make. You don't have to make a product. You don't need to worry about shipping, handling, and customer service. You're earning money online, all while being lazy. All you are doing is promoting products that are already built. Pretty simple, right? One example are dietary supplements, which you go for around $170 per commission. Remember, you don't need to do any of the back end stuff. Just run simple ads, which is pretty easy for anyone to do. You're not good at ads, you don't know how to create content, you don't want to show your face on camera, you can create simple YouTube ads. Some even just run for 2 minutes. But would you believe us if we told you that a 2-minute video gets 29,000 views per hour? It's the only video on the channel, yet it has gotten 17 million views, all while being launched just a month or two ago. Let's put that into perspective to help you better understand how crazy it is. Let's say you own a store. In that store, 29,000 people visit per hour. How much money could your store possibly make? Definitely a lot. 29,000 people is no joke. Usual McDonald's franchises get around a couple hundred per hour. Those franchises already make millions of dollars a year, so how about you? You can build your own store on YouTube that has significant visitors per hour and run your ClickBank product there. It doesn't even take that long to create the video. No camera, no faces, filled only with stock footage and text as subtitles. But how is this the lazy way of making money online? The only part that you need to worry about is making a script. There are tons of videos that give you ideas on how to make effective scripts for videos. Once you have that covered, the video making part is pretty simple. Once a script has been created, you can use AI voices online to read your script for you. This will help create the voiceover for your video. That's already pretty lazy in itself. You want to be lazier? You don't need to edit your videos yourself. Instead, once you have the script and voiceover ready, you can put it somewhere like in video, which essentially does your editing for you. It puts the text from the script you input along with matching the voiceover and video on the back end. From that process alone, numerous people are literally going from $0 to $30,000 a month profit within 5 to 8 weeks with minimal effort. Where else would you want to go when you can make money online even when you're being lazy? No 3 videos a day, no writing several blog articles, no showing your face on camera. One 2-minute video is all you need to become $1 million business. That ad already generated $1 million and maybe more, just from the amount of viewers going to watch it. There are YouTube channels that get a maximum of 29,000 views daily. They can already make millions off of this. Imagine your video got 29,000 views an hour. Imagine the amount of passive money you have generated all through the lazy way. You are selling products you don't need to touch. You don't have to ship. You don't have to do customer service. But you are still making a lot of money. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finance Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!